Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something super useful for businesses, the Smart Churn Prediction AI agent in Delaverse. If you've ever worried about customers slipping away, this is your go-to tool. This AI agent uses smart AI to spot customers who might be thinking of leaving way before it happens. It pulls in your customer data, analyzes patterns like usage and engagement, and gives you actionable insights to keep them happy and loyal. Imagine boosting retention and growing your business effortlessly. That's the power of proactive AI. Getting started is easy. Head over to the Delaverse Playground at playground.delaverse.ai. Just click to create a new project, name it Smart Churn Prediction, and you're on your canvas ready to build. No coding needed. It's all drag and drop fun. Let's break down the key pieces. First, grab your customer data. Use the Google Sheets node if you have info in spreadsheets. Authenticate your Google account, point to your sheet with details like subscription dates and activity levels, and it pulls everything in smoothly. For real-time vibes, go with the API node connected to your CRM. Set up your endpoint, add auth like a token, and fetch live data on active users. Next up is the heart of it all, the AI assistant node. It crunches the data to predict churn risks, scores who's at high danger, and suggests personalized ways to win them back, like special offers or check-ins. Round it out with the Telegram node for instant alerts. Create a bot, pop in your token, and get pings right to your chat when action's needed. Add a Google Docs node too, to whip up neat reports on the fly. The magic happens in the insights. You'll get churn probabilities, at-risk lists, and trend tracking on engagement. It's like having a dashboard that shows exactly where to focus, helping you measure retention success and tweak strategies for better results over time. The real win? By catching churn early, you save on lost revenue and build stronger customer relationships. For telco, SaaS, or fitness clubs, this means happier members, fewer cancellations, and a fatter bottom line, all from smarter, automated decisions. Pro tip: automate it with a trigger or scheduler node. Set it to run daily or hourly, connect it to your data source, and let it hum in the background. Test connections first, keep names clear, and customize instructions in the AI node for your industry's quirks. For deeper dives, loop reports back to refine predictions. In the end, this AI agent empowers you to turn data into loyalty, cutting churn and supercharging growth. Jump in, build it today, and watch your customer base thrive with Delaverse. Who's ready to predict and prevent?